Good evening, Eagles fans. This is Ariel Bedford for TCC Athletics here in the Billy Harrison Fieldhouse after the TCC men's basketball team fell short in overtime in the house of the Gulf Coast State Commodores, falling 97-100. I'm here with assistant coach Cherry. Coach, can you talk to me about what led to your team giving up a double-digit lead in the second half and being put into an overtime dogfight with the Commodores?
Well, we just stopped guarding the ball. They was getting everything at the rim. We stopped guarding the ball. We stopped, bringing energy. And the bench was down. Guys on the floor, they was down. Like we had the game won already. Anytime it's a panhandle game, we understand that, you got to fight to the end.
Yeah.
We didn't do that tonight.
Yeah. Now, Coach, defensively, there were some things that probably you guys didn't like, especially considering the fact that Gold Coast got back into the game. But offensively, it seemed like somewhat consistently you guys were sharing the ball. Is that something that you can kind of like take from tonight's contest, even though it was a loss?
Yeah, we always preaching sharing the ball. Getting good ball movement. It kind of makes the defense, kind of shift and get them to rotate and just kind of force closeouts by sharing the ball and moving it and then attacking. We just got a little complacent tonight. Just kind of let our guards down and didn't fight. Continue to fight. Like the first half, we had a great first half. We didn't come out with that same energy in the second half.
This is going to kind of be a twofold one, Coach. Honestly, were the free throws the difference in the game?
Yes. Not even looking at the stat sheet, we probably missed, 15 plus free throws.
Yeah.
Lost by 3.
Right.
So regulation, we had a chance to, do some things to kind of seal the victory, and we didn't. Hopefully we can bounce back. But I think we just got complacent, got comfortable, and Gulf Coast did their job.
Yeah. And considering the fact that Pensacola State actually defeated Northwest Florida State tonight, does it kind of make it even doubly bad that you guys didn't take care of business here in Panama?
Yes, exactly. It does. We're expecting Northwest to kind of win out, and us winning out, and then meeting on February the 20th, to decide the conference champions. But that's how things are in the Panhandle. You never know. You got to come show up every night.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, Coach.